Yeah. You know? This is an A7 as a vlogging camera. You know, man, yeah. Alright, so today is a day. So meanwhile, Dash has set up a mic. You see me? So today is a day that we will be, you know, doing some testing. You see me? But I don't know if I might not plug in it, so I can't have to turn on the camera to him. You see me? I have a local assistant right here. You see me? She can assist with the photo aspect of it, but we'll just be doing video today. You see me? Might not turn on it.
Yeah, man, hold on, I'm gonna press mute.
Press mute.
Alright. Yeah, man, I made this.
You sure?
Yeah.
You sure? Come in, sure, you know?
Me neither. It look like it's sure, man. It look like it's sure.
Alright, so we have
Look
Dash
like
today.
it's sure. Alright, so welcome to Pedro's channel. Today is my first time using a Cine lens on my camera. So basically I'm gonna walk me through it. And I wanted to see how it look, how it feel, and if I should invest in some. So, go see where I go. Mirrors.
Alright, let's start. Alright, so Dash,
Balance
camera
it,
setup. You know balance it?
But balance it. Oh. But I don't know why the front got heavy a while ago.
Alright, so guess what? I'm going to show you my camera setting.
Right.
You see me? So my S-Log3 that I shoot with for the A7 IV or any Sony camera, it normally get very detailed when you come on to editing.
Right.
Well, editing from the picture profile. So I'm gonna show you.
Go on.
Yeah, so black level -10. And alright, so I just showed Dash my secret sauce. You see me?
Raw sauce.
For shooting, well, shooting videos and them type of stuff there. So we're gonna do some test run right now. So we have candy right here. So if we overexpose. Yeah, I myself candy right here. You get me as talent for today. And let's shoot.
So now I understand why we need a focus puller
Yeah.
when you're working this lens.
Yeah, because so normally when you use them type of stuff here, would have a focus.
A rotor, motor.
Focus motor. You get me? So you can pull focus from right here.
So why someone must shoot it at f2?
Yeah, because with these type of cinema lens, like when you shoot 1.5, it gets really soft in the center.
Okay.
Like really soft, meaning it's just not really usable. You get me? You only use it unless it's like night time. You get me?
Okay, so it's best to do it at f2. Something we get at.
Yeah, so best to do it at f2.
Nice exposure.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
So just basically let us walk around. Tell me what you think. You see me? How it look to you?
It looks good so far, to be honest. It looks very good. But you don't know the proof is when time we put it on the machine.
All right. So it's all right. So that's the distance that you focus at. So it's good.
Yeah, I'm good with this distance.
All right. So in order for you to get, you know, a little closer, you have to go in, then you focus it how you want it, and then, you know, you go from there.
All
so
right.
here we're gonna bring her into the sun, so we can get some more cloud. Yeah. Let's go.
Hey, Hope Garden nice, huh?
Yeah, really nice.
Even if you start come to Hope Garden more often. We're in the Chinese garden, guys. It's the first time I come into this section, and I've been to Hope Gardens millions of times, right? But over the side, we're gonna get some magic.
All right. So make sure say when you shoot, right? When you shoot and you get in the clouds. All right. So
We're not gonna get no cloud here, so.
No, man. Look at this, right? So anytime I shoot, right? But make sure say yo, if I get the clouds, you see the blue sky.
Right.
That's how I know that I'm exposed properly.
Okay.
You see me?
So you don't use a little meter down here, so I use a meter.
No, I use it sometimes, but for me, I like to use it. I like to look at the sky based on the fact that it's sunny. So when I look at the sky and I say, yo, I get the sky properly exposed.
Yeah.
And I'm like, yo, I'm good. That's how I do it. You see me? I don't know what
Anybody else do it,
but
okay.
That's how I do it. So that shall actually track her.
This is gonna be something else, yeah?
Yeah, so I'm gonna walk with the gimbal and go straight up there, so you get me. But
yeah, hold on, let me look. Okay, the
Yeah.
sky look like what Pedro said the sky look like.
You said the sky look good?
Yeah.
All right. So, Tim, when you're ready,
Ready?
you're rolling. All right, go. Yes, Dash is tracking her.
Can you give me a little smile too, you know? Yeah, one of them little easy laugh there, yeah. It's a Pedro laugh. Pedro fake laugh. Sometimes the fake laugh work, you know. Right, give it a little pose out there, so.
Yeah. Say look to you so far, based
I like it.
Like it look.
It look a little bit overexposed on my side, but I guess.
Overexposed?
Yeah, but I don't see the light meter blinking, so that means you're good. Looks overexposed here.
Yeah, that's really overexposed.
But now the light meter would have blink.
No, that's really overexposed. So readjust.
Okay.
Make sure you can get some of the details. And you're not really shooting at f2 right now because like if you look, it's like slightly. So f2 is there.
Alright, well you see the problem is that I would have been coming from the dark end, you know. Now come again. Go try that again.
So you start over.
Yeah. You have to give me the bougie walk though, you know. Alright, the bossy bunks. You know, the bossy bunks you give me?
Alright, so currently that you're shooting at 4K 60.
Yeah.
Alright, so she's going to move from the dark area.
See me I tell you, I've come back into the sun. Come here for expose to the sun.
Yeah, you can expose from there, so.
Right there, so. Come on, nobody I pull this a focus.
Yeah, you have to pull your wood focus, my boy.
You know, they have a new technology called LiDAR, right?
Yeah, man, I know about the LiDAR thing, man.
And all they do, you tell the LiDAR to pick up the face.
What you want for them?
And the LiDAR moves the focus motors for you and keep everything. So it's technically autofocus for Cine lens. Alright, ready? Actually, I walk faster. No, it's fine, continue.
Alright, you watch your step. Make sure you have her in the focus.
Right there, yeah, that's fine.
How it look to you now?
Yeah, man, this works. This definitely works. Alright, nice. Let's do it again, but I want a close-up this time.
Right.
So I'm gonna come a little closer to you.
So what you can do before you go to the close-up, you can actually look back over the video and see if it's alright to you. But in the shade, not in the sun. Look back at the video in the shade.
Ready?
And tell me what it look like. How it look to you.
Yeah, man, this works. This look good, man.
How it look?
It look good. It looks good.
Any but?
No, I'm trying to like in my brain compare it to the log mode that I normally use. It look good.
Which log mode you normally use?
The P8. I remember I said we just set
Yeah,
up a custom.
but P8 is what?
It's log 3.
It's log 3.
Yeah, but it never have the detailed profile things like what you just said a while ago. Come again, darling. Could run it one more time. All right, so maybe gonna walk a little bit this time here. Step forward a little bit. Right. All right. Listen, focus pulling was a person.
Yeah, that's why it's best for always have your wireless focus.
The rig makes sense. Even so even if we did set it up where I could have used this,
yeah,
that would work as well.
Way better.
But all right, ready? Same walking, I'm about half body now, opposed to full body like just now. As a matter of fact, let me come in a little bit more. You know what is funny? You need the look of what you call the red thing?
Focus speaking.
Focus speaking, that is important, bro. Alright, ready again? Let's go.
Yeah, walk again. You're supposed to do your crab walk, you know.
The what? Oh.
Not you.
One sec, see if I hear me I walk like crab. You want to see lion I walk like crab?
Yeah.
Lovely.
Does you like how this look?
Yeah, man.
See if I just figure it out.
Simple maths, bro. Just expose for the sun, right?
A little, not too much.
Right, and then lift her up in post.
Editing post. Alright.
Yes, man. Lift up the shadows in post. I got this.
Alright.
Right, Nova Scotia is safe with us. Alright, ready? I still think it's too dark, you know.
How it look? Does it look too dark?
to me.
Okay. If you look too dark to you, then you just adjust it a bit.
Alright. Ready? Yeah, just look.
Yeah, just look around
Kick
the place.
the floor. Turn towards me though. Turn towards me at some point. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that shot change your mark a bit. Yeah, man, that's not so bad. Not walk too fast. Yeah, laugh.
Whee!
The gimbals twitch a bit.
The gimbal like it water fed zig.
It twitch a bit.
Should I bring the other one in? But why a Twitter though? It on there for the mode.
Twitch a bit.
So what happen if I lock it on for her?
Yo, we're just a nice, you know. Alright, so I'm gonna make you jump in the water. Not the same outfit here for.
That not sound bad.
Not the sound bad.
That not sound bad.
Anything for the vlog.
Right? Anything for the shot. You don't mind jumping in the water? Everything must buy new. I like how you see. Alright, let's go again. It's gonna be a little bit closer and do the same thing, alright?
Oh, so you're good with the shot the way that you did over there, so. Okay.
Nice, look at me. Perfect.
Yeah, so you can actually get some detailed shots of the shoes.
The gimbal needs to stop twitch.
Without twitch.
Alright.
Get some detailed shots of the shoes. If you can get some detailed shots of the shoes.
And everything else.
And where you can actually see, like, well, I don't know, we Jamaicans, we say pond, we say lake? Pond?
It's a pond, you know. Right now it's just full of mosquitoes, that I'm sure about. Mosquito and frogs, and I hate frogs. Hate mosquitoes too.
Yeah. No, so you can actually can't see it. But probably you don't have on any filter in the front.
No.
To
We
prevent
can get
the
our
glare.
shoes.
Once you can get our shoes, that's good.
Alright, let's do the shoes. Hold on, see if we can introduce it to the frame.
Yeah, but I can see from a distance it's the thing blowing out.
What?
The water.
Bro, look me, I'm blowing out water, man. Look how I go draw down the highlights, watch. As a matter of fact, watch how you are going to draw down.
Come here to edit it, forget that part here.
Bro, you are going to draw down the highlights, watch. But isn't that the whole point of shooting in technical raw video?
Yeah, S-Log, yeah, that's true.
Isn't that the
That's
whole
the way
point?
you can bring down.
Not only to see what I don't think it's a task. I don't think you should task yourself to say, oh, let's just see if I can bring it down. But the mere fact that you have the ability to.
Too.
You know, to correct.
Yeah, and that's why I told you to shoot 10-bit instead of 8-bit.
Man, I think my Da Vinci I can manage that, you know what I learned? I have the free version. And the free version states I can't get certain things.
Really?
Yeah, unless I get the studio. So this might go buy it and call it a day.
That's 3 bills.
If you smell bad, tell me. Yeah. Come on, be this man.
Did you focus it?
Yeah, what it look like.
You want it red, man?
Okay, so my thing is, I think I'm at the darkest end of the ND. Maybe not. No, see darkest end there, okay.
You want more light?
I think this is good.
Probably can change the framing and get a low shot. So if you change the framing and get a low shot and see if you can get some of the clouds to that
Pedro,
side.
may I say cloud one more time? That man love cloud. Man love cloudy.
Yeah, but that's the thing. That's a nice
Man
frame.
love cloud.
Alright, look what I'm talking about.
Let me see this.
See if you get a lower shot. I'm change the angle a bit. See if you get a lower shot and see if you can get some of the blue around there. So
Okay, for contrast purposes.
for contrast purposes.
Alright, no problem. Fully overs. Him win. Yeah?
Even the angle here nice.
Him win. I'm gonna make him win that one. Eh? Almost son. Yeah, he's gonna win. So make him win, not true? Alright. Alright, I'm liking this.
You say like it look.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, ready? Okay, just look at the camera intense. That's all I want. Intense look from you.
Cleanest BTC if you're getting a dash.
Don't it? Keep the intense look in camera. Nice. Don't move, right there. Come again.
Yeah, wide angle lens weird. This man, it says as you reach at the edge of the frame, you get bigger. You look warbly. You ever watch Hunchback, the Hunchback movie? I say, look. So you're going to look closer. Remember, say you can't go in close, you know.
Him do it for spite, you know. There, he make me look wobbly for spite.
No, get your chest, that's your face.
No, it's sun about my chest.
Sun about everybody.
Get a side profile if you can.
Wait, that's so close we could go?
Let me tell you, say cinema glass, bro. Cinema glass. And these are budget cinema glass.
I wouldn't put go so close, but this I go on one tripod. Okay, look in camera for me. Nice. Right there. Perfect.
The Canon actually have to turn around and them something. Put it out of focus and then make sure turn around in focus.
Alright. So you don't use the thing there at all, Pedro?
What?
In camera thing there?
In camera what?
Meter.
Nah, I don't even. I really don't use it.
I like the camera meter. This one must make sure to turn
But the thing
around.
is, yeah, but it's like it's out of focus and then she turn around in focus.
Camera to me. Perfect.
Hey, look.
Yeah, man, I hate that.
That's nice.
We go do the walking shot now.
Alright, the walk-through shot.
Woo!
So you sweat for brother?
Come stand up in the sun.
Man, I sweat.
Stand up in the sun. The place hot. And the camera and gimbal heavy. We need that easy rig.
But it's so funny, like I tell people, say, yo, gimbal nice, you know, but when it comes down to the movement, moving any elements, that's a problem, brother. That's a problem, that's a big problem.
But it makes the shot steady, so it's worth it.
Yeah, but I rather easy rig shots than gimbal shots.
Yeah, but easy rig basically only takes the weight of the camera. It doesn't steady the shot per se. You still have to stop your breath and and clasp yourself so that your body don't naturally shake the camera.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
So
oh, the sun is
crazy.
crazy.
I guess all of them have them spots. Are the walkway attack?
Yeah, so she actually walk through there, so yeah. So
Walk
you
through
can
there.
actually get her from in there, so and then walk them out. So it's like a tracking shot.
So the more you say tracking, I'm gonna have no autofocus.
No man, you're good man.
And
So it's just you I just walk with her, come down and then exit there. So it's like
walk behind her or in front of her?
No, in front. So it's like walking here, then stop in the center.
And she going to stop here?
Yeah.
You got that? Him say I gotta stop here, so. I like how clean it looks so far, but the focus is an issue.
The focus.
Yeah, for me, personally. Like I could not see myself shooting like this for any other shoot. I'd have to get the motors and some, or even if I'm going to pull the focus manually, yeah, I'm going to have a focus set up for this.
Yeah, because legit you have it right here, so yeah, your finger. So it's a bit easier. You get me?
All right, so ready for this one? Yeah, give me bossy walk and the bossy talk. Don't teeth that laugh there.
Yeah.
All right, ready? You don't know who laughs like that?
Watch your step, man.
Let me watch it. Me go soup. See the gimbal twitch again. Watch it.
The twitch.
I twitch like it.
You walk too heavy, Dash. You walk too heavy, man.
Come on, I drop.
You walk too heavy. Yeah, stop.
All of that out of focus.
All of that out of
But
focus.
okay.
You walk too heavy.
Man, so I walk heavy.
Where leave the man?
I have to step and make sure my foot
Man, I'll step on my foot.
planted and firmly on the walls of Zion. Let's go. Man, so I walk heavy.
Fuck. You should almost book her. Book her too. No, how much book her too?
My bucket to here.
I'll say book her already. Alright, see,
That's
one thing, you see shots like these, I love wide angle lens for these type of shots. That's one thing I know.
But the gimbal move twitchy. Like when you come around, you don't come around as smooth.
What you have it in?
Pan follow.
I normally use F follow.
It's still a thing there.
No, I just normally just use F.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, but that means I have to keep it level.
Yeah, once you keep it level, then you just move it and...
Brother, more work here, give me feeling.
I know more work. You
Yeah,
want a
because
shot?
I go forward, it
I'm
can go
learning,
down.
you want a shot?
I go so. But I'm putting a POV then.
Or if you want to put that.
Alright. God no.
Just try to walk again.
Ready again? How about I make me drop in? Yeah.
Man, just rest the gimbal right there, so.
They come in at. Listen, that is why you have to have little belly.
Man, just rest the gimbal on the belly.
Little belly. Them say if you ain't chubby, you ain't hobby.
Okay. You just say it.
She gets it. Okay, ready? I'm gonna try this follow mode for the first as well. Okay, let's go.
No. Take your time and walk.
The follow mode feel better. But she's still out of focus. The focus is behind her.
Yeah, because you have to make sure see your...
Nah, keep up with that. Plus, as we reach here, so, because the light change, it overexposes.
But what you can do, you just cut between.
Alright. I think we do a close-up. And then we can do something like, we can film like when she reach, so it can be the finish shot. We are working today, you know, come man. No worry, I buy your lunch. Where you eat? Where you eat? Him laugh because him knows he love your belly.
Yeah, I will tell you.
You don't love your belly? I love my belly, you know, I need to grow from a little now big.
No, the 200 big.
Exactly, that me say? I grow from a little now big. No, come a little closer for me. Right there. What kind of music I put on this bedroom?
Well, reaching at the editing room.
Hold on, is this sponsored by anybody? We need to get a sponsor. So we can say this is sponsored by, and we use the music like story blocks.
No, I registered to Epidemic Sound.
Yeah, right, Epidemic Sound. So today's, what you call it? Today's vlog, sponsored by Epidemic Sound, where you can get all your music duty free, or license free.
License free.
All right, so do not walk faster than me. So if I take a step, right.
Hell no.
I'm not gonna walk so slow, but time me, all right?
Alright.
Okay, ready? Let's go. See there? We're in sync. Look at that.
Better.
We have it.
So my fair guiding.
Hey, I'm gonna make me drop in.
Yo, watch
Alright, slow down,
space,
slow down,
watch the space, yeah.
Yeah, I will make the left turn, yeah, so?
Yeah, my fair guiding, man.
Alright, that good. We're good with that.
You good with that?
Yeah. Alright, so I go frame up out here, so now, and you just walk coming at the shot. You just walk and come here, so.
Right. Damn, Andy. Damn.
Pedro, you're not hot too. You can't tell me say place not hot.
Damn. This heat. It's crazy. Heat. It's crazy. So, gosh, I'll try to get this right here, so.
You see, I have a look something. I know a look something, you know. Alright, over there now. Right, that's over there.
Yeah, they shall go do your thing, you know.
Oi.
Cinema glass style.
I'm nervous in the Pedro, allow me. I want to make him pan it up, so. You know, that look too robotic. Turn your face to me a little bit. Alright.
This is a nice color still.
Alright, lovely. Keep looking at me.
I'll walk around her. Okay.
So I do the crab, you know.
I'm going to take him time a step. Now step too heavy.
Nice. What's up now? Step too heavy. Okay, do something with the hands. I put the hands in the ear. The left hand preferably. Nice. Alright, hold on there. Twitching gimbal.
Stem shot here when you do it.
Alright, perfect. Listen, Pedro came come a ragamuffin. I may eat some from a burrito or something like that. Full of egg. But I love eggs, my lad.
I'm basic. I eat at the vibe, man.
I love eggs.
I eat at the vibe. Yo, like, I can't see the screen, but the lens will pick me up. That's crazy.
So conclusion. I like the Cine lens, I like it a lot. I like how close I can focus with it, I like how sharp it is. So we just sat here in ragamuffin going through the footage. And it's really good. Only problem is with a lens like this, you definitely need a focus pulling system because it's a manual lens and it's either you pull the focus yourself while you're composing the shot or so forth, or you have somebody who's dedicated to that. And it will make the work pretty easy, but it's good. It's a good lens and I'm really thinking of investing in a few. Anything else to say? You are the egg.
It's good, bro.
Okay, come down to Ragamuffin to guys and get this unicorn something another. It's good. It's very good.
Get free promotion.
Listen, it was filled to the brim here, you know. And the lady said, let's drink it all fast because the barista like me.